GEM-Car is a shop management software for the automotive market. With GEM-Car, you will always be on top of your business. Today, we are living in a world where pictures and texting are part of our lives. The customer is reading the text message referring to the quote sent by email with all the details. The quote is well presented with pictures. The customer answers yes to the text message, authorizing the additional repair. The advisor then schedules the work. When the repairs are completed, the technician changes the status of the job to completed, and that automatically changes the color within the agenda. This is the signal for the advisor. He then transfers the work order into a pending invoice. A text message is automatically sent to the customer that the repairs are done. Often, customers come to pick up their vehicle earlier, reducing the end-of-day rush. The sales cycle has only taken a few minutes, and for the customer, this is a wow factor. The most essential element to maximize revenues is the optimization of the sales process. With GEM-Car, an advisor can easily open a work order, say for a detailing job, and assign it the technician in one click. The technician receives his new job and starts working on it. While performing it, he notices that there are scratches and can then take pictures with his smartphone. Finally, the technician adds the pictures and notes and changes the job status to inform the advisor of the situation. At the front desk, the advisor sends the additional repairs for approval with pictures attached. Producing quotations may be a complex task, but with GEM-Link, it's easy. You can connect to your distributor's catalog to validate availability, and in one click, you can validate what other suppliers can offer. Parts can be transferred to the active quote using list price or our GEM-Car special matrix. If you can't find a part, use the web crawler to search all the web and order by credit card if you don't have an account. With labor billing time to 2 decimals, example 1.28 versus 1.2 hours, GEM-Car allows you to transfer the standard labor time from all major guides. These integrations facilitate time savings and often prompt you to suggest additional repairs, increasing your average ticket sale amount. Let the technician scan the VIN when the vehicle arrives. The vehicle file will search by the VIN Decoder. The correct VIN enables you to order parts online and eliminates the risk of error. Connect to Carfax to consult the history of preventative maintenance performed in other locations across North America. GEM-Check is the digital GEM work inspection that enables the technician to complete the checklist digitally and take notes. More than 30 inspection forms are available, from an oil change inspection to an electronic diagnostic inspection. Save time as the customer's information is transferred, and all the technician has to do is fill out the inspection. The most popular is our visual safety inspection during tire changeover, because it generates from $300 to $500 in repairs. Some repairs need to be done now, and others are less urgent. No problem. Reschedule some work to another time in one click. Make sure you are billing all parts and shop supplies by scanning items with a wireless barcode reader linked to the electronic punch clock. Some items have no barcodes? No problem. Create and print labels for those on demand. All parts scanned by the technician will actually be shown in a different color so that the advisor can easily explain the price change to the customer. Do you know how much 1 minute that is not billed by one of your technicians costs you? Looking for keys, for example? The solution is in your GEM-Car. Pull out a sticker to identify the customer's key and stick it around a paper clip. You will never give away the wrong key again to a customer. Work at your pace and allow your customer to continue with his day. Rent him a car. He will be happy, and you will be free from deadlines. Transform car rental into a profit center while protecting yourself and getting organized. Personalize the rental agreement to adjust the text and picture. You are renting equipment? Adapt your agreement in seconds. Go paperless and protect yourself by using the electronic signature pad. For updating the mileage from the punch clock, the technician can print an oil change sticker with the date of the next service. You will eliminate the situation where the advisor needs to go outside the shop to get the mileage to be able to close the bill. You can create as many sticker templates as needed with different text and logos. Advertise your complimentary service like the Aquapel treatment and add the logo. Here is a great marketing idea for you. Use a plastic key tag with your shop logo on one side and a barcode on the other side. When a customer leaves the keys in the deposit box or arrives at the front desk, simply scan the key tag barcode and the customer file will open. Create loyal customers by offering tire storage service. Print plasticized tire storage labels with super adhesive glue. Next season, call your customers that have tire storage with you to set early bird appointments. It's very fast to generate a quote for tire sales and to make sure not to forget items by using preset jobs and pictures of tires. With the connectivity of over 100 distributors online, it is fast to transfer tire information into your estimate. National account management can be complex and can cost you more than you think. By using our easy-to-master National Account module, you will make sure not to pay tax on sales twice. Personalize your tire matrix based on your market and start using tire list prices. You have the best tool to measure the performance of marketing campaigns. In one click, open a sales report by promotional activity like social media, Google, and others. You could be surprised to realize the return on investment or the expenses you have incurred with the marketing campaign. Plan your promotional budget differently next year. When using the punch clock, you will be able to print a labor time report to be sent out for payroll. You want to improve productivity in your shop? With our performance report, it's easy. You will be able to validate if issues are in the shop or on the counter side. Do you have planning issues? Too many customers or not enough? Are you efficient in communication between advisor and technician? Does your work organization create great results? In conclusion, the use of the electronic punch clock module generates more than $5,000 in additional labor sales the first year. Are you ready for a revolution in your shop? Fill up your bays during slow periods by using reminders. Automatically generate a new quotation and a reminder with date as you are closing the invoice. Measure yourself. 8 out of 10 invoices should have notes with a quote and a reminder. Manage workloads of the month to come by pulling out the potential sales to come. Send reminders by email, signed letters, and text messaging. Follow up by phone using a detailed call list to book the appointments. Compare yourself. Our customers are keeping statistics on their results, and they obtain an average of 83% conversion rate regarding work related to a safety issue. Analyze your sales reports to make the best decisions for your shop. In seconds, you will be able to read statistics like the number of new customers and the ones you have lost over that period. You will be able to validate the amount of labor time sold per work order and your average ticket value. Confirm if your customer base is loyal and if they perform all of their service with you. Analyze your ratio of labor to part sales. Validate your real margin on parts. Finally, pull out your visit analysis by type and age of vehicles. Validate if your fleet is getting older or younger. Do you perform more repairs or more maintenance services? What is the trend? Validate what type of work has the most profit dollars. For all of these reasons, you need management software. Good inventory management could represent thousands of dollars in savings and reduced stress. Use the Return and Core Management module to make sure you will never miss out on a credit for a part you return. Make sure you have the part in stock by managing the inventory by status level when customer arrives. Generate automatic purchase orders based on minimum and maximum quality. Finally, use the Preset Job module to add a kit to a quotation that will automatically add all the included items. Use the History module to manage warranty and preventative maintenance. It's also a great selling tool. Just present the mileage cost analysis and let your customer decide if they want to sell the vehicle or invest in their vehicle.